you say that you are kinky?
Something came in the mail today. These nuts. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kwani. Back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe right now if you do. Thank you if you don't. About to tell this real fast. Y'all find out where I live. You try to come in? I'm gonna kill myself. I don't know who this from, but let's see, man. Let's unbox it and see, man. Well, I don't need no scissors. Okay, let's not do that no more. Thought I smelled weed when I was as soon as I open this, look what the fuck it say. How they do I just extra? It's from them. About time, bro. I just unfollowed y'all too. I gotta follow y'all back now. I was hurt. I felt a little hurt. Yeah, I felt like y'all trying to play me. I felt hurt, disrespected because I texted. They talking about something. We're good at the moment. Something. Boy, who did you talk about you good for? Boy, I want to ask them. I was telling y'all niggas to send me something, boy. But I was just kidding around, guys. But shout out to Litto. Oh my goodness. Something flash up there. Let's say lit crew. Litto. Live a little. Live a little. No, let's open this together. My fault. Let's open it together. What they say? Welcome to the lit crew. Stop sticking on tongue. That's freaky, bro. What do you? What if they need nothing in there? Shout out to y'all. First of all, we got a fanny pack right here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm already ready, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to Litto, man. Oh, man, that got me excited, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Gotcha. Give me. Come on. I got you. You know I did. But man, I'm stuck. My fault. Yeah. 600, man. Wow, Litto. Appreciate it. I'm some G's. I'm stopping some G's, but I need a little pouch like this one, bro. It's my two little, you know, two little, yeah. And it got little secret compartments inside of it. I'm gonna record an up close personal video, put it in her. Yeah, y'all did that shit already. And this is just a bag. This ain't even what else they got in there. Bag pouch, you know. I love y'all, man. I was like, I swear I was hurt, bro. They say we good right now. Y'all do it to me. Back up. Nice little, dang, it's a thick one. This might low-key go, nah, it might low-key could. Depending on what you're trying to do, could this clip off too? I don't know, we got, I don't know, I'm just talking shit. But for sure, I know you clip it if you want, yeah. But this for the pin though, I'm already know you put the pin on there. And I'm moving around, bro. Holy smoly. Man. Cray, be quiet, man. You don't know what's going on over here. This is a pin? What is this? Wait, first. Let me slow down. I'm just too excited, bro. Three disposable vapes. Man, shout out to y'all. We got an indica, hybrid, and sativa one. Oh my God, shout out to Litto, bro. We got 3 of them. 3 of those. And what's up? Let's crack this open. A fan? A Litto fan? Yeah, it's a Litto fan. I gotta move this right here. Is it working like a fan game? Oh, folks, Litto, shout out. I am a little hot, I'm not gonna lie. I got a full little fit on. You see this? Is a jacket, gang. With the pants, with the little shimmer bob, with the little light in my face. I'm hot, gang. Shout out to Litto, man. Oh my gosh, you niggas dead. Y'all niggas did y'all big on them folks. I appreciate this. Shout out to Litto for sure. Really appreciate it. God, gave me a bottle opener too. I don't even drink beers or nothing today. Like Harito. If I get a Harito, what is it? Yeah, thank y'all for that. Sticker pack. You know I need those. What this is? It's a flag or something? It might be a flag. I'm gonna open this too, but also what this is? Pre-roll hash holes. Oh my God. 3 packs of the hash holes? Come on, gang. Litto, I love y'all. My first time dealing with y'all, man. I love y'all already, but y'all already got a special place in my heart. Let's see what this is. I still never opened this up. I was thinking of can or something. I think probably to have your joints low key. I think you put joints in low key, a joint holder. Might be a little. That creak. Don't do that, bro. But yes, a joint holder. It's decent too because it's like metal or aluminum or something, so you can't crush it. That's what I would say. I appreciate that too, bro. I gave it to y'all. Really gave me 3 packs of hash holes. How many in here each? 6. So 18 hash holes. 3 carts. Are you guys freaking serious, bro? I love y'all. That's forever love. Let me get a thumbnail real fast, man. I might do it. Oh, I gotta continue the video, of course, but I don't know what I was gonna say. I'm finna say something about. I think I'm gonna open up, which one? Hybrid? I'm gonna open the hybrid right now. Open up the hybrid, see what they're sitting on. And then when I hit that hash holes, I'm gonna record that too, having the same video. Is it upside down? My fault, y'all, my fault. Do you? Litto Chitto. Shout out Litto. I love y'all for real. Like, no funny shit. Which one I say? Hybrid. Yeah, it say zooted too. So the cans is faded, live resin, KTFO. Oh, this not even a can. What the fuck this mean? I don't even know, but I'm finna do the White Widow one. White Widow hybrid. Look that up, see what these mean. Talking about zooted. Nice little push action. You gotta push these little divots jeans in the side to open it, you know? Push it, and then it's wide open. First impressions, looking pretty good so far. Oh yeah. So you're gonna have to put your finger, you just pull that mug out. Yeah. I know what y'all doing. Pretty professional so far, pretty good. Just with the box. Box sturdy as hell too. There's like some hard plastic right here. Stand up on his own if you want to set the box up. It smells like a White Widow for sure. Bag clicks, turn it on. After it's turned on, of course. Press 2 buttons 2 times to activate the reheat. Press the button to vape, inhale through the mouthpiece, of course. I don't think got different temperature, so it wants to the whole time. But you press the button, cool, so let's get the first little tester right here. That's straight. Already. Of course, not no strong. I don't say White Widow don't never have a strong, like a flavor, but it always has like a gassy. Is it gassy? Yeah, it's almost like a gassy, almost on the pine side. But that tastes cool so far. But I want to see hot. I want to see how fried it get me, because this motherfucker didn't it say zooted on it? Yeah, it say zooted. So I will want to be zooted. I'm back. The video had stopped because the story got full. And by that time, I was deleting something. I feel it. I'm not gonna lie, I feel decent. Of course, I can't get a full analysis on how it feels, but tomorrow I will, because, well, you're gonna see it in the next clip. I'm gonna have something else on. I'm gonna be like, yeah, this might really be hitting, because I felt it without having something else on my system. Because of course I hit the pen. I didn't know I was getting this today, so of course I was hitting another pen that I hit already upstairs. So, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie. So far, from that one real hit, I'm gonna feel decent. So I'm finna do another one now. Yeah, I got a straight weed taste. Not weed, but that's straight. Oil taste. I guess to like oil. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with that. I wanna try one of them hash holes so bad. I'm gonna try one of those tonight. I ain't gonna lie though. I'm gonna try one tonight for sure. But no, I'm gonna crack it open on see it. No, I wanna see it right now. Let's see how they look. We gotta pull this off. Okay, right. Well, professional ways. You peel a little tab out, and I'm gonna show y'all later too. I just shook that bitch up by accident. But you push these 2 buttons in too. There's 2 buttons right here. They don't open without you pressing them, so you press them 2 in. Okay. You heard it crack, so that means it open. Yeah, I had to say it. Shook them out of place a little bit. Slide them back down in place. Yeah, them motherfuckers look kind of oily. It's gonna be decent. And I'm already knowing me. I gotta give me some papers though, but believe it or not, I might break 2 of these down. Throw them to another one. And they own little blunt, you know? Runts Cream, Tropical Gelato, Orange 43 Blast, and Burst, small blast. 1.5 G, half a gram of flour, and 0.1 gram of live resin per blunt. That motherfucker said 0.5 G got me fucked up, can't talk right. Half a gram. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, I feel good off of this. I ain't gonna lie, I feel good. You can probably tell my ass getting lower and lower too. The more it kick in, settle in. So yeah, I fuck with it so far. Litto. No, y'all got a friend in me for sure. I forgot I had this on, but this what it's for. That like this. I'm gonna have to do a little video. Yeah, that's how it be. Yeah. Y'all finna blow y'all a kiss. What the fuck? Video's over with. Y'all got me too fried already. Off of 3 hits. I don't like this. Like, comment, subscribe if you do, like you if you don't.